Hey birdies, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. How you guys doing? So this was a video that I saw and it was 100 boy groups that everyone should know. I believe they're K-pop, J-pop groups, I believe. And so I want to play it to see if I know some of them. Disco. Oh, so it's K-pop stuff. Okay. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. This is not a ranking. Okay. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. Okay. NCTU. Yes. Don't know them. Stray Kids. I know Stray Kids. No, I don't know them. 17. Oh, EXO. Who don't know EXO? Legends. I don't know who this is. ATEEZ, of course, one of the best when it comes to the sound, so different. I don't know who this is. BTS, yeah, everyone know BTS. Everyone know BTS. But BTS is one group I haven't really got into yet. I haven't listened to any song that made me like, oh, BTS. I haven't. Oh. Don't know who this is. Oh, I know SHINee, of course. I know them. I just found out who they were. Gravity, I don't know who they is. Monster X, I know them. Vic. Oh, this is nice. Don't know that. Wavy. Don't know this one. Oh yes, NCT. I know plenty of those NCT from NCT to NCT 1000. TXT. Don't know this one. Sorry. I think I've heard of Super Junior before. Yes, I have. No, I don't know via XX. Don't know them either. Icon. How rock-ish. GOT7, yes. Don't know ONF. Oh, I know who Kai is. Kai. Is this BTS again? I know Treasure. Oh, Timon, I know him. Super M, I know them. Oh, Stray Kids. Didn't I show these people already? Oh, so this is not group, it's supposed to be songs. Mistitled. I know this one. I heard this on my iTunes. just found out who they were. Beat up, dope. Big Bang, of course. Loving some Big Bang, iconic. Hey. Ooh, ooh. Okay, Dean. Sweet dreams, our beautiful nightmare. Don't know them. Okay. Jigga. New World. Don't know who that is.
Why am I alone?
Underwater. I heard. Customer. To you. Sorry, I guess I didn't hear Super Junior before. This tab is very misleading. A B-side, everyone should know. Okay. I guess the B-sides mean bops. But I don't know some of these songs then.
When I rebound, no fallback. 이게 우리만의 방식. 좀 위험해 drop out.
Gravity, I need to look y'all up. Wow. Okay, that was nice, BTS. I like 17. Super M. Is that the same groups to just dominate this list? Play like this. Okay. Damn, these groups, these same groups, dominate this list of 100 songs. I have a list for Monster X.
Won't you follow my body rhythm? Come and follow my
Body rhythm. That's cute. I like that.
This where it's at. 어디 때와 불안한 그 사이 꿈을 향해 바람처럼 불어온 angel.
I think I listened to that song the other day. Oh, that is my song. AT's Horizon. You're gonna crave. Oh, that is my song. Okay. AT's Horizon. That is my song. I'm like. So I guess these are their bops hits. 100 bops hits that we should know. Apparently, I don't know majority of them, but obviously, but these groups I do know some of them, and a lot of them dominate this 100 boy group list. Wow, no surprise there. But comment to see what you guys think about it below, and let me know what you guys think. Whatever you guys want me to react to, we'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, we're gonna keep it tight too. I really do appreciate it. Bye.